Hey, thanks for watching this video. You're probably on this video because you want to know how to make a lot of money online. Well, guess what? I've been making a ton of money online for the last 20 years on the internet, and I can show you why it's not as hard as what you think it may be. Lots of people go out there and they just keep spending money, trying to make money, and they lose it instead of making a lot of money where they could go buy one of these, right? Well, let's tell you about what we got and why it's so different. First and foremost is we don't want any money. Okay, put your wallet away. I know that's weird to say. It's probably weirder to hear because you're used to spending money like crazy. Well, that's one of the powerful things about our system and why some people make more money in a week than a lot of people make in a month online is the fact that we want to prove it to you. We want to prove that it works, and we don't want any money out of your pocket. We don't want any credit card, and we don't want any payment information. How's that sound? There's no downside in that, right? When we can't charge you a dime, even if we wanted to, it is absolutely impossible. So we have to prove to you that our system works first, and that's the power of it. That's why our members make so much money, because we just go out there and give it away for free all day long, and people love it. And then once they see what we got, they have to have it. So if that sounds good to you and you want to make a whole bunch of money online, and we want to show you that we have, just so you know, we give you all the websites, we give you all the follow-up information. We basically have websites and calls and all these kind of things that are already done for you, so you don't have to go out there, you don't have to be a good salesman, okay? You don't have to know how to sell anything. You don't have to be excited like maybe I am right now on this video. Why? Because we have everything that's done and proven. And get this, we have a 4-year track record. We've never missed a Friday payday. We pay every single week. We've never missed one in over 4 years, out to over 57 countries. And guess what? All you have to do is use what works, and we give it to you in a box. Everything's already done. So if you're serious, fill in your name, email, and phone number, and we'll give you access to what we're doing on the next page. Sure, you can fill out some fake phone number if you want, but guess what? We get a lot of those, and that's why it's called a funnel. We weed you out. We're looking for serious people that are ready to make serious money right now with our system, and we're about to show you it on the next page. So fill out